to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. And guys, before we get started, if you're looking for a crypto exchange, check out the description below and click on the referral link. It will also help support the channel. BTCUSD is a crypto exchange that is user-friendly, requires no KYC, no VPN, and has super low fees. Once again, check it out in the description below. All right, guys, starting off here with the weekly chart. You already know we're coming off this big red candle here that is not too good. The stochastics are pointing down. We still have a lot more room to come down. I don't see any curvature yet. The 21 moving average is at 102,034, and this candle so far, even though we're 5 days away, still shows like there is going to be more downside. Currently right now is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. The price of Bitcoin is at 113,797. Something that we have to look out for is this could be a left shoulder, this could be a head that we come down, and then could we be creating a right shoulder later on, and then that just sinks us down. That's something that we have to be open-minded to. But ever since this topping tail happened, we have been seeing more downside. Now we head over to the daily chart here. The stochastics are on the way up. Yesterday I was talking to you guys about the bullish divergence, this yellow line sloping up from this candle to this candle, and then the RSI from this RSI to this RSI pointing down. That's bullish divergence. So that kind of makes me feel like we should at least make it back to the 21 moving average at 117,084. Here we bounced off the 50 moving average. Yesterday we had a green candle, the day before that a green candle. Now we're currently having a red candle. So far we have been able to wick back up from the 50, so that's showing strong support there. Hopefully today or tomorrow we're able to make it above this 21 moving average. Now we head over to the other time frames, like the 8-hour. We got rejected by the 21 moving average here. This could be a possible double bottom, maybe we could start making moves up, but the stochastics are pointing down here. On the 4-hour chart, the stochastics are on the way down. Look, we were never able to make it above this 200 moving average. We just lost a 21 moving average. Again, this could be some sort of a double bottom. We still have to let this drag. If we really lose this level here where this wick is at 112,000 pretty much, then I do see more downside, at least to 110. Head over to the 1-hour chart. Stochastics look like they want to go on the way up. Yesterday we were above the 21 moving average for most of the time, and then today we have not been able to get back above it. So it's looking bearish today. Yesterday was looking a lot better. Now if you guys remember yesterday on the 30-minute chart, I was telling you that this was a possible head and shoulder pattern. We were up to this green candle when I made the episode, and I said if we cannot get above this wick to negate this head and shoulder pattern, then it's possible we will go down. And as you can see, perfect head and shoulder, measured move all the way to 113,000, and as you can see, we've gone all the way down to 112,654. So congratulations on whoever took this trade. This is another big win for the Flex Candle community. Even though it's a short, I don't like shorting Bitcoin, but when you see it, you got to play it. The wins are there. So congratulations again to whoever took that. Now stochastics are getting a little bit toppy. As you can see, we haven't been able to get above the 21 or the 200. So that kind of shows like more downside. We might have to come back down and retest these wicks here before making a move back up. On the 50-minute chart, we are toppy as well, and we're getting stopped here at this 50 moving average. So over, and also this kind of looks like a bear flag as well. So if this ends up being a bear flag, let's see what the measure move of this could be. So if this ends up being a bear flag, this has the measure move to 111,924. So basically take us to the low point that we went to a couple days ago when we hit the 112. Maybe that's where we double bottom and we come back up. Let's see what ends up happening. So overall, guys, I still feel like we should be able to make it to this 21 moving average on the daily chart, just because of the bullish divergence and the stochastics being low, but nothing's a guarantee. What I can say is that I do see us ranging between 110 and 120. So let's see what happens. If we break 110, then that does open it up for us to go down to 108, 107, or possibly lower. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.